In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize Dream Efficiency on lightning.force.com, specifically focusing on creating and managing customer list views within Salesforce. This process is essential for organizing and accessing the specific customer data that best serves your needs. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the App Launcher icon. This gives you access to all the apps you can use in Salesforce, helping you find what you're looking for quickly and efficiently. Within this menu, locate and click on the Customers app to head over to your Customer section, where all customer-related tasks are managed. Next, focus your attention on the List view. Look for the List View controls, a small gear icon that empowers you to tailor and customize how you view customer data. Click on it to open your options. Now, let's create a new list. Click on New at the top of the List View section, and you're prompted to enter a unique list name that will help you remember or categorize the information easily for future access. After naming your list, you'll confront the question, who sees this list view? This is an important step to help manage visibility and control access to data within your organization. Carefully choose who should have access, depending on your team and organizational needs, whether just for yourself, specific user groups, or all users within your organization. Once your preferences are set, hit Save to finalize your new list view creation. Now, let's refine this list by adding filters. Click on the Filters option, and in the drop-down, you'll find Add Filter. Here, select the field you want the filter to focus on, such as the customer's industry or location. Once chosen, select the appropriate operator like equals or contains, based on how you want to narrow down the list results. After that, input the value that matches your desired criteria and save these filter settings. Once your filters are in place, we need to adjust the fields that will be visible. Click on the Gear Settings icon again and select Select Fields to display. Here you will see two sections, Available Fields and Visible Fields. The Available Fields list features all potential data points you can show in your list, while Visible Fields is what will actually appear in your view. Choose from available fields like Created Date that best meet your needs, then hit the Add button to move them into the Visible section. Finally, wrap up the modifications by clicking Save to confirm all your changes. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up and customizing customer list views in Salesforce. This allows for a focused overview of customer data, enhancing both your efficiency and productivity. See you next time as we delve into more Salesforce features.